Hi, good day, Ma'am Ruthline Caliena. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Rutlin Caliena, 37 years old, married with three kids, one girl and two boys, ages 13 years old, 9-year old, and 3-year old. I have graduated 2 years in college as associate in computer technology. I live in Villa Concepcion, Kawayan, Isabela. I have two brothers and one sister, and I'm the youngest in the family.
All right, thank you. And then how would you describe yourself?
I am cheerful, trustworthy, hardworking person, and I love to learn new things and follow instruction from my employer.
Okay, thank you. And then why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to work abroad to support my family needs and finish our home for better future.
Okay, so do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work as domestic helper year 2015 in Hong Kong. My main duties are cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, going to market, cooking, washing the dishes, and taking care of their 9-year-old child.
Okay, so did you finish your contract as domestic helper in Hong Kong?
No, ma'am, I just worked for 6 months because my father got a stroke and I need to go home.
All right. And then aside from working as domestic helper in Hong Kong, do you have any work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. I work as a helper here in the Philippines starting February 2024 until August 2026.
All right. So can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities being a helper here in Philippines?
I work for four members of the family, three adults and one newborn up to 3 years old
Okay. Aside
toddler.
from that, do you also do the household chores for the family?
Yes, ma'am. I do cooking, cleaning the house, laundry, and ironing, ma'am.
Okay. So are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
Be attentive, ma'am, and be patient and talk to them calmly.
Okay, so how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I will check if the baby is hungry. I will feed her. If her diaper is dirty, I will change the diaper. I will check the temperature of the baby. If she's sick, and tell the employer immediately.
Okay, thank you. And then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
So are you willing to take care pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am. I love pets.
Okay, good. And then how do you describe your cooking skills?
I love cooking, ma'am. I know how to cook Filipino dishes like adobo, tinola, sinigang, and I'm willing to learn to cook native dishes for
Okay,
you, ma'am.
all right, good. So do you have any food allergy?
I eat all kinds of food except for the seafoods, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
None, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
None, ma'am.
Okay, so are you willing to share a room with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to work during day off? An employer will pay you overtime.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, for the last question, Ma'am Ruthlin, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
To my future employer, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract and to treat your family as my own family and your kids to treat them well and be patient to them. Thank you.